DMG presents Dentamile Connect, the first cloud-based software solution for an integrated digital workflow with no technical barriers. The scanned STL files of the patient situation are loaded to the cloud via CloudLink technology as the basis for further work. Dentamile Connect integrates all the steps in the digital workflow in one software for the first time, incorporating everything from design and slicing to printing. The intuitive minimalist user interface makes the design, in this case a splint, extremely user-friendly. All good? If not, you can correct individual parameters such as margin contours or even layer thickness very quickly and easily. Until now, you've had to transfer the result to a special slicing software. With Dentamile Connect, you can continue to work right in the same software. And the nesting, supporting, and slicing are carried out fully automatically in the background. You can also control the print job simply, reliably, and efficiently using Dentamile Connect wherever you are. The software is networked to the printer via Wi-Fi. No other connection is needed and no storage device necessary. Dentamile Connect gives you the security of a validated workflow, including the documentation of all processes. The supplementary equipment involved in post-processing, for example the curing and cleaning unit, is already integrated, as are the materials. Validated digital workflow across all steps in one system. Dentamile Connect by DMG.